Earth Overshoot Day, previously known as Ecological Dead Day, is a day on which humanity's resource consumption for the year exceeds Earth's capacity to regenerate those resources that year. In simple terms, it's like Earth का एक साल का कुछ इकोलॉजिकल बजट होता है, मतलब हमें एक साल में उस पर्टिकुलर बजट के अंदर ही रिसोर्सेज को कंज्यूम करना होता है। पर हम क्या कर रहे हैं, हम इन रिसोर्सेज को बहुत तेजी से कंज्यूम करते जा रहे हैं, इतनी से तेजी से कि हम एक साल का बजट सिर्फ 6 या 7 महीनों में ही खत्म कर देते हैं। And that particular day, when 1 year's quota has been consumed by humanity, is celebrated as Earth Overshoot Day. The environment provides resources for our needs, and they include renewable and non-renewable resources. And it will continue doing so in future only when consumption does not exceed the rate of rebuilding. But humanity is currently using nature 1.7 times faster than our planet's ecosystem can regenerate. And with this pace of consumption, we will need a second globe by the year 2030 to satisfy our resource consumption and absorb waste disposal. So EOD is like a report card. It reflects how humans are not using resources wisely. Earth Overshoot Day is hosted and calculated by the Global Footprint Network, an international organization along with World Wildlife Fund. It is calculated by dividing the planet's biocapacity, that is the amount of ecological resources the Earth is able to generate that year, by humanity's ecological footprint, that is humanity's demand for that year, and multiplying by 365, the number of days in a year. The first time Earth Overshoot Day was launched in 2006, and that time it fell in October. Last year in 2019, it fell on 29th July, the earliest ever day, moving up by 2 months every year in the past 2 decades. But this year in 2020, EOD lands on 22nd August, taking into consideration the coronavirus's impact on environment. जैसे जैसे हम डेवलपमेंट और ग्लोबलाइजेशन की तरफ बढ़ते गए, हमने इन्वायरमेंट को पीछे छोड़ दिया और हम उसके बारे में सोचना ही भूल गए। The main reason behind environment crisis today are excessive fishing, cutting of forest and rising carbon dioxide emission. Population explosion is also a major cause to this. According to a UN report, 8 crore 30 lakh people are adding into the world population every year, and it's going to reach 8.6 billion mark by the year 2030 and 11.2 billion by 2100. और इतनी ज़्यादा पॉपुलेशन ने पूरी डिमांड सप्लाई चेन को ही उलट कर रख दिया है। हमारी डे टू डे एक्टिविटीज़ और लाइफस्टाइल की वजह से वाटर और एयर की क्वालिटी खराब होती जा रही है। According to a UN report, by 2050, the demand for water will be 55% more than its availability. Apart from this, the excessive use of fertilizers and pesticides have also reduced the soil fertility. The indiscriminate deforestation has left our ecology in deep crisis. Every year, 1 crore 30 lakh acres of forest is being cut out or burnt in India alone. Now our focus should be on how we can push this day back to December 31st. Because we don't have another planet to live on. So let's explore the solutions to move this date. There are plenty of solutions existing according to the Global Footprint Network in 5 major areas for improving sustainability. They are cities, energy, food, planet and population. It is expected that by 2050, 70 to 80% of people will be living in urban areas. Hence, smart city planning, urban development strategies would help preserve the environment. For example, energy efficient buildings, integrated zoning, compact cities, etc. Next solution could be reducing carbon footprint, which accounts for 60% in the total ecological footprint. Another solution could be reducing food demand or by increasing dependence on food items that put less pressure on environment. For example, shifting towards vegetarian diets. There is an estimate that if we reduce global meat consumption by 50% and replace it with vegetarian diet, then EOD can move by 5 days. Along with this, wastage of food also needs to be reduced. Another solution is decreasing population. The organization estimates that if every family had 1 less child, we would be able to move EOD by 30 days by 2050. Apart from this, we all need to conserve wildlife to balance the ecosystem, and we all must not waste resources at our disposal, and that is a take expected from everyone for our future generation. That's it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it, and please tell us in the comment box below how do you like it.